In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change country on Amazon. If you are using Amazon on a desktop or laptop, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. Changing your country or region is useful if you want to browse a different Amazon marketplace, view items available in another location, or make sure you are shopping on the correct regional site. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Once the page loads, log into your account if you are not already signed in. Make sure you are on the main Amazon homepage before moving to the next part, since the country setting is easiest to access from there. After you are logged in, look toward the upper right area of the page, near the search bar. You will see the language or flag icon. This section controls regional and language-related settings. Move your cursor over that icon, and a menu will appear. You do not need to click right away. Just hover over it so the full menu opens clearly. At the bottom of that menu, find the option that says Change Country or Region and click on it. This will open a new setting area where Amazon lets you choose which country-specific website you want to use. This is the important part because Amazon operates different versions of its site for different countries, and selecting the right one helps direct you to the correct storefront. You will now see a drop-down list with available countries or regions. Click the drop-down and choose the country you want. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct option because this determines which Amazon website you will be redirected to next. Once your desired country is selected, click Go to Website. Amazon will then take you to that country or region's version of the site. From there, you can continue browsing or shopping as usual on the updated regional storefront. If the page looks a little different after the switch, that is completely normal. Product availability, prices, shipping options, and even layout details can vary depending on the country you choose. That is all there is to it.